Hey, it's Tabitha Caro, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to make this reel with just one photo. So if you're ready to do this, let's get started. So first you want to make sure you have the CapCut app downloaded. Then you want to click on the template link in the description of this video. Open, use template in CapCut. We're going to tap use template. And all you need is just one photo. Then we'll preview. And that's it. We will export. You can save to your device with the little CapCut watermark, or you could save it directly to TikTok without the watermark. I'm going to save to my device so I can post to Instagram. And I have a different audio for you to go with this because I don't think it's great to use this audio. There may be copyright issues. Your video may get removed, which we don't want. So just click on the audio in the description of this video. Go to open, use audio, tap this little icon in the bottom left right hand corner, add in your video, add. Go to next, and do not forget to edit the cover, or this is what it will look like, a black frame, because that's how this reel starts. So make sure to edit and pick the best part of the best frame from the video, and then you're ready to post. If you use this template from this video, please tag me at Teacherpreneur Tips at Instagram, and I'd love to reshare to my stories and get you some views. I hope this was helpful. If you'd like more real template videos like this one, please let me know, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.